good YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest degen plays in the crypto space. Got something great for you guys in this one. But before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, guys. Can't stress this enough. The crypto space is very volatile and very risky, so be sure you never invest more than you're willing to lose if you ever do invest in this space. Got my channel pulled up, Meme Coin Daily, 250 subscribers, 50 more for 300. I'd appreciate any support, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more of my videos. And like I was saying, I got something special for you guys in this one. Let's head right over to Dex Tools real quick. Let's go to the top 10 trending peers on Dex Tools. We have DAI. Let me know if y'all want me to cover DAI. Still crushing it. They updated their picture as well. Bone, Risu, still crushing it. Laib, X, Tyrant, Suka, and Sir, still crushing it, guys. In this video, we're gonna be checking out Ushi. Saw somebody left a comment in my comment section to check out Ushi. Hey, leave comments. Let me know what projects you guys want me to check out, and I'll check it out for you guys, man. Just comment down below. As you can see from this chart, we got Ushi. Great chart. Such a beautiful chart. My eyes, they start to water when I see this chart, guys. Look at this. Huge upside when it launched, you know what I'm saying? Whoever got in down here and you still chilling up here, you sitting nice. But right here, this area right here from the 15th to the 18th, this was the time you get in this chart, man. Then you'd be up, because normally this is when I would catch a chart, you know what I'm saying? Now you'd be up from down here. Let me just go to right here where the red line is. You'd be up 784%, bro. So yeah, guys, great chart on Ushi from what I'm seeing. Had a correction after this huge run up, which is expected. Now it's going sideways. It looks like it's accumulating, got higher lows. Looks like it could pop from the upside right here, but nothing is guaranteed in crypto, so it could retrace more and then accumulate and then move to the upside. As far as what we got for the Uniswap info for Ushi, we got 471k in liquidity, 111k in trade volume. That's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? People are buying and selling. 2.5k holders and 3.83 million market cap. Now 2.5k holders though, that is pretty decent, guys. Like most of these degen plays, you normally see like 500 to 1,000 holders, and that's where it taps out before the project starts retracing, going down, you know what I'm saying? But 2.5k holders is very decent, you know what I'm saying, for the degen space, you know what I'm saying? Let me check Etherscan as well. 2.565 holders, that's pretty decent, and 3.83 million market cap, meaning we do have a lot of potential ahead, you know what I'm saying? We could get, you know, a 10x from here would be around 38 million market cap. 5x would be around 17, 18 million, somewhere like that. I wouldn't rule it out. 5x to 10x, I wouldn't rule that out, guys. Who knows where it goes from here, guys? It could go to 100 million market cap. You really never know in crypto. Just make sure you protect yourself. Always secure your profits. Take your initial at a 2x, 2.5x. You know what I'm saying? Take your profit out, whatever you put in at first, and let the rest ride. Now let's check out the website, see what we got for Ushi. Ushi is always bullish. I mean, you ain't lying from this chart, bro. They ain't lying, bro. Bull is a faithful assistant that designed to help to taste the sweetness of a big growth. Okay, Ushi is a key to the unique analytics tool for the crypto space. Okay, our product is artificial intelligence that can train itself using from historical data from thousands of crypto social media channels, CEX and DEX exchanges, news websites, etc. So it is an AI technology driven project. I remember bigger influencers in the space saying AI would be the next niche in crypto that has its own bull run, just like how the metaverse had its own bull run, play to earn and move to earn had its own bull run. This layer ones had their own bull run. The next wave is AI technology, so I'm interested to see where the project goes after reading this right here. Sounds pretty good from what I'm reading so far, guys. Tokenomics with a fixed supply of 21 billion tokens and our burn functionality built into our contract. Holders continue to gain value just by holding. So the tax fee 1%, liquidity 1%, marketing 2%, burn 1%. So that is 1, 2, 4, 5% on the buy, and 2, 4, 8, 10% on the sell. 5% buy, 10% on the sell. Each tax with their respective use as well. That's normal for the degen space, degen projects. Roadmap, we're in this for the long haul. We've set up goalposts for ourselves. Once we hit a target sell through percentage, we will begin to work on realizing the stated goal. 100% ecosystem scaling and new product service releases. Nice. 5% preparing marketing campaign. Gotta have marketing in the degen space. It don't make no sense if you got a good project, nobody knows about it. 10% building community in social media. Nice, okay. 25% coin market cap and CoinGecko listing, EtherScan verification, marketing campaign in Telegram and Twitter. Let's see. 50% CEX listing, MVP of analytic product. Okay, community growth, partnership with top marketing exchange, like this. 75% listing on Gate, production product release, okay, the release of the AI technology, token adaptation, collaborations with DeFi projects. Pretty nice roadmap, straightforward, right to the point. All their social media platforms right here. Ushi's always bullish. Let's check their Twitter out, see the official Twitter for Ushi real quick. Bullish, 1000x growth token. You never know what could happen, man. You gotta be confident. You speak it into existence, it just might happen. 5,400 followers on Ushi. Pretty nice. First pin tweet. Okay, so they had a competition, had a winner. Winner respond within 24 hours for a unique opportunity to get Ushi tokens for 0.5 ETH without commission. Nice, okay. Giveaways are always lit. Ushi Warrior Strong. Holders 2.5k together to the moon. Like I said, guys, this is bullish. 2.5k holders is really bullish for a project, man. That is great distribution because they have 4 mil right now. I remember World Cup Eden was at 20-something million market cap and it had 1.7k holders. You know what I'm saying? So 2.5k holders, meaning people are getting into this project, man. That's great to see. What we have here? UFC and Ushi contest. Okay, so they're trying to do like collaborations with the UFC. $100 in Ushi, free winners. Okay, market prediction to get Ushi. Okay, just a little campaign. 73 likes, 54 retweets. A lot of their tweets have this great engagement, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot of likes and retweets. Let's check out the hashtag Ushi, see what other retail investors like myself are saying about the project. See what people stand on Ushi. Okay, somebody replied with the money printer, LFG Ushi. Ushi is the only bullish trend. Ushi is only a bullish trend. Rush Hour here. Rush Hour is a big account, 35k followers. Good looking for Ushi. Saw Tony work for his bags. He's bullish. Hanging there. Here and there is an AMA in the Telegram. Okay. And then he's showing the chart. Like I said, guys, this is a great chart. You know what I'm saying? It's looking like it's ready to pop again, guys. Like, look at this. It's like it's working its way up to a poop. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's looking like to me. I have no idea who Tony Montana ETH is, but I'm gonna drop him a follow, bro. You gotta keep your eyes out on Twitter, social media on these projects, guys, so you can see what people think about the project, what the psychology is like. It could also help you get a bit earlier into these projects, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing my best to get in these projects as quick as possible as well. 3,490 members in the Ushi Telegram group. That is pretty good, guys. Ushi, Ushi, Ushi. Buys coming in, yes. Ushi chats, new Ushi chats. The vibes is real, the hype is real. They chilling, working for their bags as a community should. I think, let me see. Oh, they also have an AMA in the next 9 hours, guys. Like what I see from this project, guys. I really like what I see. Who knows where the project could go, man. Like I said, always be sure to take profits wherever you enter. If you're holding Ushi, let me know your thoughts of the project down in the comment section. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps. Links to everything Ushi and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.